Tank7L&9L Wrangler Gasoline Pack and Mount Kit Installation Guide. Turn the fixed lock and remove the mounting bracket. Install rubber pads in these 3 points. Choose the right rubber pad according to the model. Remove the 4 screws at the car door. Do not open the car door after the screws are removed. Installation of screws and spacers on the bracket. Installation by hole position. Tighten the screw. Adjust the tightness of the rubber pad to achieve the roll of support. Install the gasoline pack. Install and tighten the fixed lock. Unscrew the can cap. Take out the tube. Put the tube back in the can cap. The gasoline pack can be hung upside down without leaking. Push the buckle to pour WAT. Installation completed. Thank you for choosing Tank7L.